Welcome to this video on technology for teaching and learning. We will explore how to promote collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace. Cyberspace serves as a virtual learning medium. It acts as an electronic medium for communication, allows for widespread interconnection beyond physical geography, and exists as a reality separate from our everyday world. Modern digital pedagogy is built on two primary paradigms: collaborative learning, where people learn together to leverage unique skills, and transformative learning, where learners adjust their thinking based on new information. Collaborative resource pooling relies on synergy and shared competency. By moving beyond individual learning, participants exchange internal resources to support each other's gaps through a shared network. Perspective transformation occurs across three dimensions: the psychological dimension, the convictional dimension, and the behavioral dimension. New information can penetrate these layers to adjust a learner's thinking. Virtual promotion is essential for future readiness. This process involves moving to cyberspace, implementing intentional collaborative and transformative models, and actively cultivating skills for success. By leveraging diversity through shared digital tasks, students gain exposure to varied ideas and life experiences, while developing high-level collaboration and analysis skills. The benefits of this approach are multifaceted, spanning cognitive and analytical domains like problem-solving and critical thinking, as well as social and interpersonal domains including communication and teamwork. To execute cooperative virtual strategies, educators can utilize proven methodologies like Think, Pair, Share, the Jigsaw Method, and the T-Party strategy. The Think, Pair, Share method involves three phases. First, students form individual ideas. Second, they pair up to synthesize those thoughts. And finally, they share their concepts with the larger group. The Jigsaw Method involves moving students from generalized home groups into specialized expert groups to master specific topics before returning to teach their original group members. The T-Party loop is an interactive strategy where students exchange clues about a text to build understanding and formulate predictions through a structured, multi-phase cycle. The transformational impact on the learner is significant. By critically reviewing past assumptions, the mind achieves a state of openness, allowing for a more flexible and adaptive mindset. In this cyberspace learning ecosystem, cooperative strategies like Think, Pair, Share, Jigsaw, and T-Party help students pool resources and fundamentally transform their perspectives. Ultimately, through collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace, students gain the critical skills and flexible thinking needed to navigate the challenges of the future. Thank you for watching.